Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today we're opening up Vellabox, my monthly candle subscription I just absolutely love. So if you don't know what this is or haven't seen me open it before, like I said, it's a candle subscription. So they offer 3 different subscription plans ranging from $10 to $30. I do have a promo code to share with you guys that will get you $5 off your first box for any of the plans. So I will link Vellabox down below along with that code to save you some money. So I get the $30 box, and in this box you get 2 candles. So in the $10 box you get a 4-ounce candle, in the $20 box you get an 8-ounce candle, in the $30 box you get both, and then in all of the boxes you get a free goodie each month. And I just think it is great. All of the candles come from local artisans throughout the United States. They're all made in small batches, made without any toxic ingredients, and the burn time is amazing. They always smell so good, and they feature a new artisan or a new business every single month, so it's great to learn more about them. And I love their eco-friendly packaging. I just love Vellabox. So before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We have a big giveaway going on for hitting 10,000 subscribers. A big thank you to you guys for all your love and support. So if you guys have not yet entered, definitely do so. At the end of this video, there'll be like a thumbnail card that you can click on and check it out then. But let's get started. I can't wait to see what candles we got this month. When I open it up, this is what I see. So presentation, great. It says, "Honey, your soul is golden." I love this. They always have like a pretty image and a quote, and you can actually remove it. I keep mine. And this is what it looks like. And the candles always come in different bags each month, and they're reusable drawstring bags. And I always keep them and repurpose them. Why I said that word weird. And we have our little extras, and then there's a card in here. And this talks about where candles come from. So Roma Luxury Goods. Oh, they're based out of Sarasota, Florida. I think that's only like 70 miles away or something, like north of me. Awesome. And Roma Luxury Goods is located in the artistic city of Sarasota, Florida. Christina Price founded the brand out of a passion for creating clean alternatives to the products she loved. Their signature line includes candles, reed diffusers, linen sprays, perfumes, and more, meant to make every day smell incredible. Awesome, Florida! What one should we start with? How about we start with the big one? Yeah, so big I can't even get it out. I almost said that's what she said, but that doesn't make sense. It'd be like the other direction. I'm delirious. Come out, come out. Ooh, I like the packaging. So this is Coast, and the notes are driftwood, oud, and juniper. So it's plant-based. I always love simplistic labeling. So pretty. Aroma hemp wick candle, plant-based, made in Sarasota, Florida. Oh, this smells good. It's not what I expected. I thought it'd be like the typical Coast scent, but it's different. Let's see what they say, since I cannot describe fragrance well. We already talked about some of the notes, but it says here on the card, fragrance notes, top is driftwood and oud. Am I saying that word right? O-U-D. I know it's a type of wood, oud. Middle is juniper, lavender, and lemon. And the base is teakwood, tonka, and amber. It reminds me of something, but I can't recall what. Like a perfume someone I wore or something. If you've ever wanted something to wisp you away to your dream beach house, this fragrance is for you. Driftwood delivers your senses a postcard from the sea and is complemented by the freshness of juniper and the depth of oud. Now let's see what our smaller candle is, our 4-ounce. And this candle is in the $30 subscription only, the Vivere. So if you get one of the others, like if you get the $10 one, it'll be a smaller candle, but it'll also be in the Coast fragrance. Ooh, this one's called Radiant, and the notes are lemongrass, eucalyptus, and lemon. Oh, I have a feeling this might be my favorite. Oftentimes I have a hard time picking favorites, but I just always gravitate towards like citrus. Oh wow, yeah. This smells like lemongrass exactly. Lemongrass, whenever it's in anything, it seems like overpowering, but not in a bad way. It's just such a strong scent. But I guess when it's paired with the other two, it smells really good. This would be a good like morning candle, and the other one like for evening. So fragrance notes, the top is lemongrass, the middle is lemon, and the base is eucalyptus. Its name is representative of both the wonderful glow this candle will give off, as well as its bright and beaming scent for one of those good mood kind of days. Yes. Yeah, I like both, but for once I think I have a clear winner. I think I like, or I know I like Radiance the best. I love candles so much. I love good scents. But now let's talk about our extra. We have 2 little packets here of Simply Mints Peppermint. Nice, so it feels like there's multiple mints in each. And these are just made from cane sugar, peppermint oil, and calcium stearate. And these are from New York, New York. So Simply Mints by Simply Gum. I've heard of them. So Simply Gum likes to tell it how it is with no hidden agendas or ingredients. Their peppermint mints are made with just 3 simple ingredients, natural peppermint included, for a burst of freshness you can take on the go to enjoy anytime, any place. Non-GMO certified, vegan, kosher, and aspartame free. Nice, I like this, and I like how they're in little packets so you can just like throw these in your purse or like pocket or whatever. You never know when you might need one. Even though we're all wearing masks right now, but I mean not at home. Yeah, Archer might be really offended by my breath, but anyways, I'm excited to have these and try them out. I like mints. I'm definitely more into mints than gum. What about you guys? But anyways, that is it for today. I always love unboxing this. I always go and light a candle like instantly once I shut off the camera, and I think I'm going to go with, I don't know, it's kind of late right now. It's like 7:30, so maybe I'll do the Coast because I feel like this is more like a relaxing scent. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys are interested in channel membership, there's always a link down below so you can learn more. Or if you go down by the subscribe and the bell notification thing, which you guys should hit too, there's a join button. So if you click that, you can learn more. It won't automatically join you or anything like that. But thank you just for being here and watching. That really helps me out a lot and means so much. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.